Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to bleach your hair. Okay, so I really want to dye my hair with this color. Yeah, this is the color I want to dye my hair with, but I want to bleach my hair before using this dye. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is to mix these two stuff together. This is this is the liquid pure white. This is what I'm using, and this is the powder. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be stirring all two of them together, and we're gonna do something. Let's get started, y'all. So what I usually tell my audience, if you want to bleach your hair or dye your hair, you have two options. You either use maybe black clothes, or you use an old cloth or old clothes that you're not going to use anymore. As for me, I already have a black shirt now that I want to use, so I'm using this my old shirt. Yeah, this is old. I'm not going to use it anymore. So I got this old shirt on because I want to bleach my hair, just in case the bleach mess my clothes up. I don't have to worry about cleaning it up. I'm just going to trash this. Okay. So welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do cleaning up, I do cooking, I do products review, I do fitness on live video, and I do just a little bit of everything, a little bit of makeup and everything. So please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. The first thing I'll be doing, this is my hair right here. Guys, forgive my hair. Excuse my hair. So my hair is kind of low. I got a low haircut, guys. I'm ready for summer, y'all. I'm ready for the summer, so my haircut is low. Yeah. So what I'm gonna be doing is to bleach my hair before using my dye, the color of dye I want to use. Okay. So this is the powder. Right here is the powder. I'll be opening this powder to put it in here. I'm using a black bowl that I'm not going to use anytime soon. If you don't want to use it, it'll just be for products like this, not for kitchen. Okay. So so when you're using this stuff, you gotta be very careful. You don't want to put it in your eyes, okay? And I recommend you to keep this away from kids. So this is the powder right here. This is how it look like. And this is the liquid. I think I've used this like 2 or 3 times. It's very big. I mean, there's a lot in here. So I will just be putting just a little bit to stir it up, okay? So it's optional. You can use anything you want to use to stir your stuff, but for me, I'm just using this for right here. Everything I'm using here, I'm not going to use it for any kitchen material, okay? Okay, I'm just going to put my glove on. I like to use my glove when I'm doing work like this. Yeah, guys, I'm ready for the summer. Oh my God, guys, I just break my glove like this. Wow. I gotta get one more glove real quick. Okay, y'all. 1 second. Okay, sorry guys. So I gotta put glove on my hand. I recommend you to use glove if you want to. If you don't want to use glove, that's fine. So this is what I'm using right here. I'm just mixing it up. Just like this. You're gonna make sure. Do you guys want me to stand up? Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys gonna see this, yeah, but I hope you guys see it. If not, I'm sorry. But I'm just stirring it up, okay? Yeah, so I'm just gonna stir everything up before applying it. After mixing the bleach, this is how it look like. So after mixing the bleach, this is how it look like. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna use my hands to apply the bleach, okay? Yeah, as you all know, my hair is I got a low haircut, so it's not gonna take longer time, okay? What I usually tell my audience, the longest the bleach stay on your hair, is the longest the color become light, okay? So let's say for example, okay, I'm done with this. I'm not going to use this for kitchen purpose. I'm just going to put this in the trash can, okay? So, do I really have to comb my hair? No, I don't need to comb this hair up. This is how my hair look like. Yeah, I'm using my hands to apply this bleach on my skull. And this is the bleach right here. So let's get started. Let's get into the video, okay? Usually, if your hair is long, I'm gonna recommend you to make your hair like session by session, maybe 3 or 4 sessions. But my hair is it's not something I can really put it divide into session, okay? So I'm just gonna apply it like this, okay? So this is the process right here. And I keep doing it until you can just apply it to all your hair. So I've been wrapping my hair for 5 minutes. I've been wrapping my hair for 5 minutes, and this is the result right here. So the longer your hair stay, the longer the bleach stay in your hair, the whiter it begin. The whiter it be. So it just left for you how you want a hair color to be. If you want a hair color to be like this, it's okay. You want it to be whiter than this, it's okay. For me, I'll be putting this bleach, this dye in my hair, so I want it to be a little bit white before putting this dye, okay? Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. So now, the bowl is empty. I'm done applying this. I'm just gonna stir off a little bit, and I'm going to put a shower cap on my hair. Yes, I'm going to put some shower cap on my hair, and I'm just going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 more minutes, guys. But guys, this stuff smells really stinky, y'all. It smells bad. Yeah, I don't like the scent, so I'm just going to cover my hair for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and I can wash this up my hair. And guys, I can't wait to show you guys the result, y'all. Yeah, the result's gonna look amazing, y'all. Yeah, guys, I'm all ready for the summer. Summer here come. Yeah, guys, I'm ready for summer, y'all. That's it. So, guys, we have gone 10 minutes through this process. This is 10 minutes, exact 10 minutes through the process. So, for the best result, I recommend your hair to be clean and dry, okay? Your hair have to be clean and dry to give you the best result. So, okay, the longer this stuff stay in your hair, the whiter it becomes, okay? You see, this is my hair right here. So I'm just gonna keep it for about 5 more minutes so I can take this out, guys. I'm actually gonna dye my hair this color, so I don't want my hair to be pure white like a gray hair. No, I think this color of my hair is 100% okay. Yeah, guys, I can't wait to share this amazing result of you guys. Stay tuned. So okay, I'll be covering my hair with my shower cap for 10 minutes. After covering my hair for 10 minutes, I'm gonna wash it, and then I'll let you guys know, okay? So, okay guys, let's check the hair and see what's going on here. Yep, let's check the hair and see what's going on here. Oh my god, I think, guys, what do you guys think? Do you think we should go about 5 more minutes, or it's okay? Yeah, as for me, I think it's okay. I don't really want some pure white like gold. I think it's okay. I'm just gonna, just rinse it because I still have to apply this. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna do another video for this, okay? So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna wash this with my hair, and I'll be back for the next video. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. How do I look? Pretty, right? So after bleaching my hair, this is the end result. after bleaching my hair, this is the end result right here. So if I just want to keep this color, it's 100% okay. But my favorite color is red, so I'll be putting red on it, okay? So this is what I'm going to be using today. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my hair to get dry before applying this color. Yes, before applying the dye on your hair, you gotta make sure your hair is dry, okay? So I'm just gonna let like maybe 10 or 15 minutes for my hair to get dry. Or better still, I will use my blow dryer to dry my hair before applying this dye on my hair. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of my hair, guys. I'm kind of liking the hair. As I told you guys, if you want your hair to be like very white, like a gray hair, light, you gotta wait the dye gotta stay along your hair. For me, I'm kind of tired and I just like my hair color like this. After all, I will still be dyeing this hair, so I don't like my hair pure white. Yeah, so yeah guys, that's it. Let me show you guys, let me give you guys this is for the camera, guys. Yeah, I'm liking my hair, y'all. I'm all ready for the summer here come. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Yep. Yes, I just dyed my hair and I just bleached my hair and I'm about to dye it. So once again, my name is Rosemary from West Africa, Liberia. I'm mother of two, live in USA, Ohio. Yeah, on this channel I do just a little bit of everything. Yep. So please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Feel free to ask me whatever you want to ask me. Yeah, this channel is family friendly. Yep, it's family friendly. 100% of my 100% of the video on my channel, all of my videos, they are all family free. You can feel free to watch it with your kids, your mom and dad, your family. Yeah, just whoever want to watch it. Whoever you want to watch it is okay. So yeah guys, this is how my hair look like. Guys, my look is kind of different. What I noticed whenever I dye my hair, my color look darker when I use this bleach. When I bleach my hair, my skin look dark. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so oh my god. So in the next video I'll be showing you guys how to dye your hair. So this is gonna be another video by itself, how to dye your hair, okay? Yeah, so when I'm finished with this video I will just drop the link in the comment section below. Yep, that's it. Don't forget to share. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, on Saturday and Sunday we wake up in the morning. In the afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, sometimes we do makeup. In the evening, we cook. During the weekdays, I come on live. Sometimes, not all the time, because I'm a full-time mom. I work 9 to 5, so yeah. That's it, y'all. This is the end of our amazing video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of my hair. Do you think I was supposed to make it a little bit light, or it's okay like this? I don't know what you think. But for me, I think this is much better because I'm still going to put this color on it. So yeah, but if you want to use your hair like this, it's 100% okay. You don't have to put down this hair, okay? Yep, so I love you all. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. See you guys next time. Guys, I love you so much. I love you so much. Don't forget to support me. Okay? Bye. See you next time.